Jack. Be careful.
Yep, I'll try to be.
Yeah!
This is the tallest pheasant sandcastle that we ever made.
Huh? What's that thing?
It looks like a really tall tower.
It looks a little bigger than your sandcastle. Why don't we go have a look?
Yes, Mommy. Come on.
Wow!
It's way taller than the sandcastle. Wow.
Mommy, why is this giant tower here?
Well, the tower is...
Well. What is this? Aren't you Mrs. Flora from the forest?
Well, hello there to you, Mr. Seagull.
It's very nice to see you, Mr. Seagull.
Ah, why thank you, little pheasants.
We've all come to take a closer look at the lovely dock.
Great, welcome. I would love to show you around. I love it here. I have lived at this dock ever since I was in a tiny egg.
Then, can you tell us about the tower?
Well, it's very special. Towers like this are called lighthouses. The light tells big boats way out to sea there's a nice dock here where they can come rest.
Seagull, sir, have you been on a big boat like that?
Well, of course I have. There's nothing like being on a ship at sea. The wildly rolling waves, the bracing salty ocean wind.
Mr. Seagull, do you think that we could ride on a boat too?
You want to ride a boat?
Oh, could we please, Mr. Seagull?
Very well. Yeah, let's do it. Why not?
Children, slow down a bit.
Oh my, I never been on a boat in my life. What do I do now?
There's a room in here.
Kids, wait up a little.
Mr. Seagull, what is this room for?
Well, this room is, just look at it. Clearly, it's a dance floor.
The dance floor?
You bet. The sea is very big, so boat trips are boring and long. And dancing is a great way to pass the time. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. 3, 4, clap, clap, clap.
Yay!
Pretty fun, isn't it? Goodness, what was that? What? The boat's moving. But why though?
The boat is moving. Look!
Oh my word! What are we gonna do? Oh,
Mr. Seagull, please do something to help us.
To be honest, I, don't know how to drive a boat at all.
What?
You were so excited about taking a boat ride. I didn't want to let you down, so I lied. Whoa!
Chicklings, are you all right?
The boat has stopped!
Mr. Seagull stopped the boat for us.
Me? I stopped the boat? Gah! Look there! Where's this boat taking us?
I guess we're in the middle of the ocean.
There's the lighthouse.
Then we can follow the bright light back to the dock.
A lovely place to come and rest.
Chicklings, why don't we give Mr. Seagull a hand?
Ah!
Yeah.
Stop, please!
Yeah!
Hooray! We're at the
building the ship is kind of a piece of cake. Ah! Oh, goodness, what was that?
Here, subscribe to our channel.